Hey guys, welcome back to Cocktail Vlog. My name is Johnny and this is, of course, you already know, Simple Drinks. Today we are making a cocktail called Aqua Velva. It's a easy to make 4 ingredient refreshing cocktail. It should be tasty, probably very sweet because we have Sprite and blue Curacao, but we're going to see. Aqua Velva got its name by a famous aftershave brand that the sailors used during World War II, and the story goes that because the high alcohol content in it, they used to drink it. So somebody decided around 1980s to make a cocktail with the same name, probably to give homage to the famous brand of aftershaves. So without further ado, let's make an Aqua Velva and check it out. So the recipe says 37.5 mils of vodka. Same goes with gin, a little bit less of blue Curacao, 22.5 mils, and Sprite. So let's start with vodka. So just a little under 40 mils, followed by gin, 37.5 mils. Next up is blue Curacao, 22.5 mils, 3/4 of an ounce. Now we need ice. And we are going to shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Look at that beautiful color. Now we need a big glass. You can use Hurricane. Fill it with ice. And we're going to strain the cocktail over fresh ice. That's it. Now top up with lemon lime soda, Sprite 7-Up or whatever we got. For beginners, small tip. You do not shake carbonated drinks or else it will go poof. And for garnish we're going to use lemon wheel with a Maraschino cherry. Add a straw. And that's it, ladies and gents, Aqua Velva. Cheers. Of course, beautiful, refreshing, sweet. You can taste gin. There's a hint of alcohol, but you can't taste vodka. But it's nice. It's kind of like, I don't know, Blue Lagoon on steroids. It packs a punch, but it conceals it very effectively. It's good. And that's it, ladies and gents. We made an Aqua Velva, really easy to make. 4 ingredients only. Beautiful color, tasty, refreshing, sweet. What else could you wish for? If you like what you see, make sure you check out the channel. I have plenty of recipes that you probably can't find online, so check it out. Maybe you'll find something you like. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. It means a lot, it helps the channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.